Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get high quality stock video footage for your videos. This can be used on YouTube, Facebook, any type of social media. This can be used for commercial and non-commercial use. And the best part about this is we don't have to give any attributes. We don't need to mention the creators. We don't need to mention anything. All the videos we find on this website can be used 100% free anywhere we want. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing we're doing is opening up our web browser, and we're going to be coming to Google, and we're going to be searching for a website called Pexels Video. Now Pexels is a website that allows you to get 100% free stock video footage. You have a search bar here, you can search by popular searches, and you get a bunch of their most popular things at the very top of the section. From here we can click into any video we want, we can use anything we want here. Click into this. We get to see a small preview of the video here if we wish to play through it, and to download it simply click on the free download button on the right hand side and your video will download. You don't need to create an account, you don't need to do anything like that, and then you have your high quality stock video footage that you can use anywhere you want. It's 100% free and it works really well. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.